In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change your LinkedIn password on your mobile phone. Changing your password is important for keeping your account secure. To get started, open up the LinkedIn mobile app and then tap on your profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap Settings. After that, tap Sign In and Security. And then tap Change Password. What you want to do next is type in your current password. Then type your new password. Remember to choose a strong and unique password that is not easily guessable. And then retype your new password to confirm it. Then tap on the Save Password button to save changes. This is exactly how you can change your LinkedIn password on your mobile phone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.